Another fish kill in the Rio Cobre has sparked a government investigation and threats of protests over the impact on lives and livelihood in at least two St. Catherine communities. Krista Campbell has a report.
An inviting river on a hot day. It seems picture perfect, and it was to be the perfect birthday celebration for Venetia Francis Ross, whose husband brought her to the Rio Cobre in Linstead, St. Catherine Saturday morning.
I got invited to this area in Linstead, where the first time I saw it, it was beautiful. So I decided to take my wife for her birthday here.
I'm coming from Augustown, which is in East Rural St. Andrew.
Yes.
I came here today so I can swim and have a good time for my birthday, but as you can see, where can I go in the water?
The reason is all too familiar and disappointing for residents in the affected communities of Zephyrton and Vanity Fair, especially fishermen and business operators.
This morning we get up and from about 600 to about 700 feet away from the river, I could smell the casket coming in the water. When I approach the river now, I realize there's a lot of dead fish in the river.
The National Environment and Planning Agency, NEPA, says a team is investigating and says the water appears cloudy and gives off a caustic scent. It says the toxic substance is contained between the communities of Zephyrton and Vanity Fair and has advised persons to avoid using the water in that section of the river for domestic or recreational purposes until further notice. For the impacted business people, it's not enough that such contamination continues to happen. For the People's National Party's Member of Parliament candidate, Senator Damian Crawford, the fish kill couldn't have come at a worse time.
Because of the demand for fish from that standpoint, but also because of the demand for recreation. Holidays and all of that is coming up. And this area is now evolving into that type of positioning. So we have already started to discuss life after bauxite and what it would include, and entertainment is a central part of it.
He says he will be talking with the fisheries ministers to set up a meeting with Windalco to identify the source of the problem and find a solution once and for all. Meanwhile, at least one business is now at a standstill. River Bash is held here every Sunday and attracts visitors, including tourists from all over.
Right now I buy the liquor them, I'm going to buy up all food stuff. We keep a party on the river tomorrow. And that cannot happen. No, I said go buy like soup stuff. Okay. To buy soup, a lot of fish, and bread, and a lot of rice and them, some peas and everything to cook tomorrow, and cannot work out.
As for the birthday girl,
I'm hot, I'm cool down, and I can't do that either. So now I have to look somewhere else to go to enjoy the rest of my day.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.
A promise.